Bornean orangutan is an endangered animal that we saw at Zoo Tampa. These orangutans live in lowlands and hilly tropical rainforest. They can weigh anywhere, the males can weigh anywhere from 165 pounds to 220 pounds, and the females can weigh anywhere between 70 pounds to 80 pounds. They can get as tall as 4.6 feet. If these orangutans were living in the wild, they are able to live up to 35 years old. However, if these orangutans are living in zoos like the ones we saw at Zoo Tampa, they can live anywhere up to 50 years. Now, these orangutans like to eat fruits, nuts, tree barks, insects, eggs, and small insects. The forests that these orangutans lived in are being logged at an alarming rate to supply the demand for hardwood products in America, Europe, and Asia. So this means that they're going into these forests and cutting down the trees, which is where these orangutans and other animals live. If you remember from the zoo, this was the habitat they were living in because these orangutans are considered playful primates. They love to climb and swing and play with each other and have fun in their habitat. Now, think of ways that we could help these orangutans from becoming extinct.